Hello there, my name is Michael McWhorter, and you are about to learn just what exactly is so cool about manufacturing. Specifically, juice manufacturing. Now, my favorite is easily the cran cherry, but stick around and you will find out what all of the key Ocean Spray employees' favorite juices are.
Hi, my name is Meredith Kelly.
I'm Jacob Watson.
And I'm Chad Hammerly with Ocean Spray Cranberries.
And we're here today to ask Chad about his job.
What's the size of the facility?
Facility is 275,000 square feet with 4 manufacturing lines running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we have 200 employees on site.
Today is
Chris Gerhard. I'm a blender here at Ocean Spray.
What's the process of your job exactly?
Well, it starts with making batches of juice. We get various ingredients, like Chad was saying, from all over the country. So we unload those into a silo for storage, and then based on what ingredients we're making, then we will pull from that silo to make a finished product of juice. Once we have the juice made and all the hand ads are dumped in, then we will sample that juice, make sure it's within our specifications analytically, and then we also send it, after that, then we send it to the line.
So our next question is, how long does it take to get the ingredients to make the juice that you produce?
It depends what it is, but I mean, most materials are flowing through our supply chain consistently, from cranberries in the field, making it to freezers, coming to the plant, and then we get everything from bottles, caps, pallets, labels, you name it, all come into the factory on a daily basis. So there's a continual flow of things in the supply chain. Obviously with COVID right now, there's a lot of challenges with that. So we have to be very nimble and very flexible with that, because there might be days where we can't get pallets, or days we can't get bottles, but we can get pallets. So we have to be pretty flexible in these times right now.
What flavor of juice makes the most money?
I'd say the flavor of juice that makes the most money is our plain CJ. We call it.
One of the crew members giving us our favorite flavors.
My favorite flavor is cran mango.
It's cran grape.
White cranberry peach.
Cranberry cherry.
The diet cherry limeade.
It's cran watermelon.
Cran tangerine.